Dear children, I don't ask you, are you enjoying these holidays? Rather, I believe you are all keeping fine and you are all safe. Thank God for that. And today, I thought of addressing you just because we know the present situation of the world. Not only we, the children of K School Mananam, but all the students across the world are facing the similar situation of the virus attack. So now we are in a position that we may not be able to start our classes, regular classes from June onwards. It may take some time to start our classes. So we'll have to think about different possibilities to help you to learn in this beginning of the academic year. So as you know, the online classes are the option and the classes have started for the higher class students. We already started classes for the plus 2 and class 10 students both in ISC and ICSE and state board. Now we will be starting the classes for class 9 and 8 students in this week, and we are thinking of starting classes for the remaining classes from KG to class 7. And we know this is not an easy thing in our context today because we have a lot of limitations at home. All of you are not having a computer or a laptop or a mobile phone. So there are problems with our internet connections. So there are complications and problems and difficulties. You may be forcing your parents to buy things for you, the computers, laptops and other things for the classes. Parents will have to do that for the time being. That all of them are not having enough financial situation, they'll have troubles. And this context, my dear children, you don't force your parents to buy costly things. The moderate things that will be useful for you and that can meet our need. You should have a discussion with your parents and be with them and support them in their financial difficulties. And also we may have internet problems. In all the places, internet may not be that good in functioning. So there may be net problems and difficulties. So you'll have to find out a place in which the net connection is more sound and you have to move that place. In few classes, especially in the lower classes, we will be having recorded classes. So this can be given to you through our YouTube channel, KIMS Mananam, or we will have some other arrangements. The arrangements will be given to you. You will be given the proper communication for that. And for the time being, you be prepared and arrange all the things that is needed for you. Anywhere for a few days. We will have to go on with this system because I don't believe we will be able to begin the classes by this June itself. So there are possibilities of having more COVID cases because of people from outside of India and of different states of our nation. They are coming back to Kerala and they have to come back. In this context, there is a possibility of having an increase in the number of patients. And what we have to do is that we should keep the distance and also we have to obey the regulations and directions of the government and the health department, and so that we will be able to protect ourselves. That's what we are expected to do. And my dear children, already I have told you about the importance of being responsible in using this internet and mobile phones and all these modern things that is available for you now. This is your responsibility to keep it and use it for your good. For the time being, the mobile phones, the internet, laptops and all these things you have to use only for your studies and learning. Don't use it for chatting with your friends and also for playing games. These are not of our concern today. So all of you be personally responsible and utilize your time carefully and fruitfully, and be with your parents, keep safe, and also try to be positive. All these problems will have an end. We'll have a very positive ending, and many people around the world are trying for vaccines and their efforts will be successful. Let's believe in the Almighty God and pray for the good of all the people around. Let's also be safe. Thank you.